Blessed, blessed, blessed. Star seed once again. Big up yourself. Yardie Mixup. Yeah. Hear me I say now. See? You ever deal with some people yet and then go like them know everything. Them know how everything run. And you can't tell them nothing. Zane, you can't tell them nothing. Them know everything when I go on. Allow them. Make them run where them a run. Because them a go run out till they run out themselves. You understand what I say? Them a go push over them own self. You see people like them there, you have to be careful of them. And people like them they will dig a hole for you even though them wanna go fall back in it. You understand what I say? Because when you don't want for yourself, you don't do unto others. You understand what I say? On a big man level. See? You have to watch the vibes and watch the flow. Because them think them know it all. Them know what clock a strike. Them don't know, but you know. Keep yourself steady. Don't say nothing. Don't say a word. Not even in English. Yeah. Just make the vibes go on, man. Them are going to run up in a roadblock. And you see when they run up in a roadblock, them are going to turn to you. And you see when they turn to you, don't say nothing. Tell them, say, yo, no, you are the driver, man. You're not supposed to know where you go. And you steer. Go and steer the way. You're reaching a roadblock. I'm going to tell you a long time, but you're not listen. Because you know it all. And you not take chat. You not take talk from nobody. Because you are the real big boss. But when the real big boss drop in at the whole what we still there stand firm and strong. Because you not take talking. You not take hearing. You don't listen. Because you say you know it all. Me as a big man now, me I learn from baby. Me I learn from adult, older than me, old people. Me I learn from all type of ages. Teenager, middle age, young age, old age. So me don't know it all. Me still upon a learning process. So all them know it all. Them are no God. So all them fi know it all. People like them man don't say a word, man. Just leave them, make them do them thing. Because whatever happen, them cause it up on themselves. Because them not take telling. They over hype. You understand? And at that me no like. But guess what I go on? Me just stay in my corner and me cool and me chill. Me cool and me chill and me take it easy because guess what I go on? Me know what type of clock I strike. You understand what I say? I'm not going to make them, make me look like a fool. So you better you keep silent. Make them go and pursue what them a do. You understand what I say? A matter of fact, when you see certain things that go on like that, take away yourself. Take away yourself. Hold a corner. Because when everything pop down, them can't say nothing to you. And when they come to you and say something to you, run them. You don't want to hear nothing from them. You understand what I say? And people like them, they have afraid that because guess what go on? Your life, dealing with them in a feed them on. And if them actually feed them life, what do you think them would do it for you? Who is you? Them no care. Them only care about themselves. Them no see no other way. For nobody, but only themselves. You understand what I say? So you just easy does it, chill back, build back, space yourself away from them, man. And gather yourself together. And laugh. And smile. Later on you will look back and say, yeah. You understand what I say? I saw the thing program. But anyway, we're not going to depend it too long because you know a splice cut and go through. You understand what I say? A star seed, big up yourself. You don't know. Yardie Mixup. Yeah, out.